This is an instructional video on how to administer the standing long jump fitness test. The purpose of this test is to measure explosive power within the lower body. This test can be used for many different sports, but we are specifically collecting data for the gymnastics fitness testing. This test can be used for any age group with people of a moderate fitness level. It is very beneficial for kids because it is simple and quick. Participants must be wearing activewear and running shoes. For this test, you will need a standing long jump mat and a sheet to collect data. This test is often performed on any flat and level surface where distance can be measured. To begin the test, the athlete must stand behind a line marked on the ground with feet slightly apart. A 2-foot takeoff and landing are used, with the swinging of the arms and bending of the knees to provide forward drive. The subject attempts to jump as far as possible, landing on both feet without falling backwards. Mark where the back of their heel lands on the mat and record it on the sheet. The athlete gets 3 attempts and all of them will be recorded. As an administrator, your responsibility is to demonstrate the test and explain the expectations as clearly as possible. You must also mark and record the data from all the jumps. Your demonstration and expectations should include information about what is considered a fault. Participant must have feet slightly apart behind the start line. On the mat there is foot marks, but if you're doing a different method, feet hip-width apart is a good instruction. If any part of your foot is past the start line, it will result in a default. Failure to take off and land on 2 feet will also result in a default. If you step back, your jump will be measured from the place you step back to. If you fall back, your jump will be recorded as a default. An average standard score for standing long jump is 5'7" to 5'11" for females and 7'3" to 7'7" for males. For data collection, the administrator will watch the jump and record the distance of the back heel to the nearest half of an inch and then document the scores onto the main data collection sheet. If the standing long jump mat is not available, you can use a basic tape measure on a flat surface to measure. Some other things that can be taken into consideration are age, height, gender, fitness level. For the purpose of this class, we will not take these factors into consideration, but if you administer this test in another setting, you can record this information to help get more precise and accurate results.